All right, well, let's see if we can try this again.
It's Howie Day, part 2. Woohoo! And we only do 2. There's no third. This is it. We're picking them up today. So
today's the day.
Yes, today's the day, and he's all fixed. They were able to fix the bedroom slide. It's working perfectly. The convection microwave has been installed, so I am so thrilled about that. So we're gonna go do our orientation at Lazy Days and hitch them up and take them to a Colorado State Park. It's gonna be so great.
Okay.
Howie and Stella are together for the first time. They're connected. Look at that beast. Sorry, Howie, don't mean to call you a beast. But... God, I can't believe it. 2 years of planning and dreaming. We got him! He's back there!
Oh my God,
Yay!
it's happening. We actually got him. You probably can't see out the back window, but...
No, but he's there, trust me.
And we are on our way to the state park.
Yes, we are. I'm so excited. Oh my God. 2 years we planned this, and here we are. Howie seems to like Stella. They're getting along great so far. It is a little windy today, which is a good thing that there's lots of traffic on 25, so we get to take it even slower.
And we're not going far. We're only going about 12 miles.
Yeah, so that's not too bad. So onward to our adventure. Woohoo! So exhilarating. We just got to the campground. We got level. We got unhooked. We put things together. We hooked things up. I don't know. It's like gale force winds out there. But this is a really good first day in Howie. I just can't wait for all the other days. More later. After 8 days of 35 to 50 mile an hour gusts, where we longed for a fire, on the 8th day, we have fire.
Cheers.
Cheers to fire and slightly breezy temperatures, but not wind gusts.
30 mile an hour winds. A couple days of waking up to 11 degrees.
That's okay. We're used to that. And the rig did great. It's amazing. I love. Howie is well insulated and the furnace works wonderfully.
So the one good thing about this weather is it gave us a chance to test just about
everything.
Every system in the rig. We put the furnace through its paces. We put the heat pump through its paces. We put the water heater through its paces.
We've put everything through its paces except for 2 things, because we might have miscalculated something when we got to this park.
Well, and also the park that we're in now, which is a lovely park, by the way, Bear Creek Lake
Park in Lakewood, Colorado.
Yes, great
nestled
park.
Up against the
foothills, which is part of the reason for the wind. Is because we are right up against the foothills. But the one downside to this park is it does not have sewer connections. So we were not able to test.
Nor does it have water. It just has electric.
It has 50 amp, 30 amp, and 50 amp electric sites.
We didn't know that going in, and it really didn't matter because it was so difficult to book a week at a time here outside of Denver that we would have been here anyways. But it would have been nice to know going in. But you know, it was a great challenge, and we did fabulous. So now we know that we can deal with no sewer, no water for at least a week. I don't want to do it again anytime soon. But it wasn't bad at all. So
we said, the rig performed perfectly. Everything is fantastic. We're about 90% plus moved in.
Yep.
So we can't wait to give you a tour once we get settled, get some artwork up, get our organization in process. We'll give you a complete and total tour of the rig. But the other great thing about being in cold, windy weather for the past couple of days is we really got to fine-tune our workstations.
Yes, we did. And I would not have thought this going in, but
the slides shake when it's like 35 to 45 and even 25-mile-an-hour gusts. And my office is in the slide. So I'm working this week, which went really well. And there'll be times when the monitor is moving like this. And I'm like, oh my God, I thought I need to take a Dramamine a few times, but I'm okay. I'm used to it now. I just never would have thought about that. So there you go. Lessons learned. It's been a fun week. It really has.
Yeah, it's been a great week. And when we picked Howie up last Thursday, we moved into him that night. So we are officially full timers for this will be our 8th night, and we're totally thrilled with it and glad we finally got to get outside.
Yes, very, very happy. It's been so cold and windy. Not typical for Colorado at this time, but I'm happy for this one night. Tomorrow we move to another Colorado State Park outside of Denver. Completely looking forward to the full hookups we are going to have. And it's going to be in the 70s next week with a little bit of wind, but not too much. So I'm totally stoked. So we're a week in. Did we make the right decision?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I would do this again.
We haven't even left Denver
and again
yet.
and again and again. Yes, and I haven't even left Denver yet.
And we know that we're going to totally enjoy this lifestyle.
It's amazing, and I can't wait for you to join along with us. Coming up, we're going to have a tour of the rig so you can see Howie from the inside, not just the outside, and so much more. At the end of April, beginning of May, we actually leave the state, and that's when our adventures
That's when the fun
really
starts.
begin. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hit the like button. That would be wonderful too. And until next time, happy exploring.
Cheers.
Cheers.